Hello and welcome if it's your first time here, or thank you for returning if you've been here before. I want to show you what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be adding eyeballs to this here ornament that I make, and eventually I'll show you how to make the ornament itself. But for now, I'm just going to show you how I'm doing the eyeballs on these because these are already completed. And I just recently actually thought of doing eyeballs on them, so we'll see how it turns out, and hopefully you'll like the video. Watch to the end and you'll see how this is completed and how it looks when it's done. And let's just get right in. Here we go. Alright, so let's get going here. This is double stick tape, so it's going to work to take the stone and put some sticky on the back and also stick it to the back of the face. You're going to need those are wire cutters. You don't really need to use those, but something that's going to be a little easier to control than like nail clippers, because you have to cut in deeper than the nail clipper would actually reach. And this is what we're going to be using to put the eyeballs in. I actually did this one just a little bit ago, and it worked quite nicely. And here we go. We're just cutting the nail in half, so we can use one nail for both eyes. Actually, that was just getting rid of the excess part of the nail. This is gonna cut it in half right here. Maybe I was cutting the tape then, and my eyes weren't really focused on it. So here we're cutting the nail actually. I think before I was cutting the double stick tape. But here it goes, and we are gonna stick that double stick tape right down the center. Now right here I take a little break to push down the nail because I want it to make that line in the center, so I can take the sticker and make it go straight down. But pushing it down like that gives it that straight line, and then also it kind of flattens them out a little bit so they're not so curved, so that when you put it on the eye it actually looks right. I must also apologize for some of the crappy video quality. It's not very good because I had it forward facing so that I could see every time I was in the camera shot with what I was doing, but having it forward facing like a selfie mode really didn't work very well for it, so the rest of them I will do the regular camera direction, and then you'll be able to see probably a little bit clearer, a little bit better. At the end I have really good quality video because I'm taking a picture of it when it's the regular forward-facing camera, and I'm just taking a picture of it when it's hanging on my tree, and that part looks really pretty, but this is kind of blurry, so I apologize for that. So here you can see she has red eyes, and they just really pick up the light and sparkle. That was one eye. I'm just pressing it in to make sure that it's really sticking with that sticky tape. And there it is. Yeah, the lighting's not really great. I've still got to figure out a little bit more on this. But there it is on the tree in much better video quality. So I hope that you did like this video and that you stayed to this portion to see the whole thing, and then you got to actually see the finished product. That's my whole tree, and those are all the ones that I have done that don't have eyes yet. So the rest of them are getting their eyes soon. And stay tuned because I will be doing each of them for you to watch. And
Alright, so the video was short but sweet, and I hope you liked it. And if you made it to the end here, I thank you for staying and for watching the entire video. And consider subscribing if you like this kind of thing. And I will see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.